In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an app to your Shopify store step by step. This guide is perfect for Shopify beginners who are looking to enhance their store's functionality with the right tools and integrations. Apps can help manage your store more efficiently, optimize marketing, or even assist with customer service, among many other possibilities. Let's dive into the process together and make your Shopify store even more powerful. First things first, you'll need to go to your Shopify admin page. If you're not already logged in, make sure to sign in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the home page of your store's admin dashboard. This is the central hub where you can manage everything related to your Shopify store, from viewing orders and customer data to managing products and settings. Next, look for the Settings option. It's typically located at the bottom left corner of your admin dashboard. This section is crucial because it holds various configurations that can be adjusted according to your store's needs. Click on Settings to proceed further. Within the Settings page, search for the Apps and Sales Channels option. This is a dedicated section where you can see your current apps, manage sales channels, and access the Shopify App Store. Click on Apps and Sales Channels, and you'll notice a variety of options related to the applications you can integrate with your Shopify store. To browse for new apps, you'll want to enter the Shopify App Store. Simply click on the Shopify App Store button that appears in this section. Entering the Shopify App Store opens up a world of possibilities with thousands of apps available to explore. Whether you're looking for solutions related to payment gateways, shipping logistics, or marketing enhancements, the Shopify App Store has it all. Upon entering the App Store, you'll likely see a selection of featured apps right on the main page. These are usually curated by Shopify, showcasing popular or high-quality applications that other store owners have found useful. You can take some time to explore these options and see if any of them meet your current needs. If you have a specific app in mind or a particular functionality you're seeking, don't worry. You can utilize the search bar at the top of the page. Typing in relevant keywords or the app's name will yield results tailored to your query. This is a much faster way to find the specific app you need to resolve the tasks you have in mind. Once you've found an app you want to try, click on it to open its details page. Here you can review descriptions, user reviews, pricing options, and support information to ensure it fits your needs. If everything looks good, proceed with the installation instructions, and you'll soon be enjoying new functionalities on your Shopify store. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to adding apps to your Shopify store. Taking advantage of these applications can significantly enhance your store's capabilities, making management easier and often more effective. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you in building a more functional and user-friendly Shopify store. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tutorials. Happy selling!